Working with SAP Business Intelligence and have a BEX Workbook file. These are workbooks for SAP's Business Explorer reporting tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these SAP Business Explorer workbook files. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for BEX file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. A BEX file is a workbook created by SAP Business Explorer, BEX Analyzer. A component of the SAP Business Warehouse suite, users interact with these files to analyze business data, create interactive reports, and perform planning functions. The primary intent is to view and manipulate complex data sets from an SAP system within an Excel-based interface. The BEX file is an XML-based structure embedded within a Microsoft Excel file, XLS or XLSX. It contains query definitions, layout information, and connection details to the SAP BW server. This design leverages Excel's familiar interface while storing the SAP-specific metadata needed to refresh and interact with live data. Official support for BEX is primarily provided through SAP Business Explorer Analyzer from SAP SE. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows provides only basic file information, so true functionality comes from spreadsheet tools. We are performing the initial application diagnostic. Right-click your BEX file and choose Open With. Test with SAP Business Explorer Analyzer first. If it's missing, select another program. The solution is often a simple compatibility swap. If you still can't open the BEX file, it's okay. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now, let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, opening in BEX Analyzer. Install SAP GUI with BEX Analyzer. Excel add-in configured. Open Excel and use the BEX Analyzer ribbon to load BEX workbooks. The add-in connects to your SAP BW system, refreshes data, and displays reports with full interactivity for SAP Business Intelligence reporting and data analysis tasks. Next, configuring SAP Connection. Ensure proper SAP connectivity through SAP GUI configuration before opening BEX files. Configure system connections in SAP Logon and verify network access to your SAP BW server. The BEX Analyzer requires authenticated SAP connection to retrieve current data when opening workbook files for analysis. Finally, migrating to modern BI. SAP has positioned newer tools like SAP Analysis for Microsoft Office and SAP Analytics Cloud as BEX Analyzer successors. Migrate BEX workbooks by recreating queries in modern tools. Document existing BEX content to ensure feature parity in newer SAP Analytics platforms providing continued business intelligence capabilities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.